Hello everyone, in this video we're going to configure the router so that users will have to log into the network to get internet access, and depending on who the user is will be restricted from accessing Facebook. Also, we don't need our server to log into the network, so we'll create a special firewall rule to allow it to bypass the login. First we need to create a keyword object profile. Go to Object Setting and select Keyword Object. Then click an available index to create a profile. Enter the profile name Facebook, and in the contents box type Facebook and FB separated by a single space. Click OK to save the settings. For Facebook, we also need to create another keyword profile for Facebook apps. Click another index and enter the profile name FB_app, and in the contents box enter FBCDN and FBSBX. And click OK to save. The next step is to create a URL filter profile. So go to CSM in the menu and select URL Content Filter Profile. Click on a blank profile index. Then give it a name such as block_Facebook. If you want logging, you can enable that there on the right. Enable URL access control, select action as block, and click edit to select the keyword object profiles we created earlier. Click OK to save the settings, and OK again, and OK once more to finish setting up our content filter profile. Now we need to create our DNS filter profile. Go back to CSM and select DNS filter profile. Select a blank index. Enter a profile name, Facebook will do. Under UCF, select the URL filter profile we just created. Select syslog as all, and then click OK to save. And OK again. Now we just need to create rules to allow or block our user groups, starting with a rule to give our server unrestricted access. Under Firewall, select Filter Setup, select Default Data Filter, then click on an available rule. Click the box to enable the rule, call it Server, click on Edit beside Source IP. As address type, select Single Address. Then enter the server's IP address and click OK. Make sure beside Filter it's set to Pass Immediately. Click the box to enable syslog. Then click OK to save. Next we'll create a block object. Click the next available index. In this example we'll call it employee_block. Down towards the bottom of the page beside URL content filter, select our block Facebook profile, and for DNS filter select Facebook. Enable syslog for both, then click OK. We're just using this rule to create an object, so we won't tick the box to make it active. Now to create our user profiles, go to User Management General Setup. Select User-Based Mode, then click OK to save. To create a user account for the employees, go to User Management User Profile, then click an available profile. Click to enable the account. Then enter the username and password you'd like employees to use to get online. Under Policy, select the firewall object we just created. Then click OK to save. We do much the same to create our HR login. Select the next available profile. Click to enable the account. Enter the username and password you'd like HR to use to get online. Leave policy as default and click OK to save. And OK again. Okay, let's test it out. Now anyone who opens a browser should see this login screen. If we log in as employee and try to go to Facebook, we should get a page timeout. Which we do. Same if we try to go to fb.com. But if we log in as HR instead, it should work fine. And it does.